The number of homes for sale in San Diego County continues to grow. What does this mean for buyers and sellers? Hang out with me till the end and I will tell you what I see happening. Today is May 2nd, 2024, and this is San Diego Market Watch. If you're new to this channel, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know where in San Diego County you're watching from or where in the world you're watching from. Let's jump right into it. Looking at the number of homes for sale, it has gone up for 5 weeks in a row and has increased the steepness of the climb over the last 7 days. And we are rapidly approaching 3,500. And just a couple of weeks ago, I was saying, will we cross 3,000? Now we're almost to 3,500. Still doesn't translate into a lot of inventory countywide. We have 115 zip codes in San Diego County. So from here to here, it's only 500 units. However, it is appearing to have an impact. And I think rates have a lot to do with that, and we'll get into that in a second. But the number of new listings jumped up over the past 7 days. So we're definitely seeing a late spring surge here, or a mid-spring surge, wherever we are in the season. But I was expecting to see this more at the beginning of April, and it did start, but now it's continuing. And like I said, the number of pending sales has been flat, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row. It came up a tiny bit, but pendings are flat, new listings are up, and now new listings appear to be departing from the pending sale trend. So, for now, prices are not going to be climbing rapidly, and they may even soften a bit. I don't know what's going to happen with the median price from March to April. Those numbers will come out next week. It was flat from from February to March. It's hard for me to think backwards with the months, but from February to March it was flat. So from March to April, we'll see. Did it go up? Did it stay flat? Did it go down? If it starts trending down, median price countywide, that really to me spells the end of peak pricing for 2024, at least the next few months of 2024, because as inventory builds and rates stay where they are here, or even anywhere over 7, it's really going to put the squeeze on. The interest rates are putting the squeeze on buyers in terms of cost, and it's going to put the squeeze on the market as a whole, because with rates high, it reduces the number of buyers in the buyer pool as people fall out because they can't qualify. And if we get into a situation like we were in back in 2022, where inventory gets into the 4,000s and up closer to 5,000, we really started to see some price backsliding in 2022. It bounced right back when rates came down a little bit. So maybe the same thing will happen now, and maybe it won't. It really depends, in my opinion, on what goes on with rates over the next couple of weeks. But if you're a seller right now, you better be pricing your property right. Don't be reaching for the stars right now. Be happy getting a good, solid sales price, because in anything that's perceived as even remotely overpriced right now is going to start being ignored by the buying public. That's just the way it is. It's the way it's always been. Price it well if you want to sell is what I always say, what I always have said, and it's always been true, and it always will be true. So for buyers right now, again, soft pricing, more inventory means maybe less of a struggle for you to at least get an offer accepted. However, with rates as high as they are, it presents, payment challenges for you. And for sellers, if the buyers are struggling and inventory is increasing, you are also going to struggle if you don't get that property out there at a good price with a great agent and a phenomenal marketing plan. So definitely give us a call if you want to talk about that. Anyway, that is what's going on in San Diego real estate this week. If you like the content, like, share, subscribe, and comment. We will be back next week with more great real estate content and other content that you can enjoy. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.